Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to align text left and right on same line in Microsoft Word. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. Now I am going to show you all possible ways to align text left and right on same line. The first way is go to View tab and click on Ruler, and the ruler will be opened, and then click on the upper ruler and you will find an L sign here. Just double click on it and then select the alignment right and then click on OK. Drag this right tab to the right corner and drop here. Now we can type. I'm typing 1 left. Now press tab. Look, the cursor will go to the right corner and then to right. And next line, type left, again tab, type right. In this way, you can align left and right on the same line. If you want to remove this align, just select the lines, remove, drag it and drop to the upper. Now I am going to show you the another way. Go to Insert tab, go to Tables. I am taking a table and just drag the cell and then I'm copying, cut and then paste here. Again, next one, cut and paste here. And here I can select the first paragraph and align it to left. And if I want, I can align the second paragraph to right. And now select the table, right click on it and go to the table properties, click on border and shading and select none. Click on OK, click on OK. Look, the left and right align on the same line in Word. Now I'm going to show you the another way. Select the text and go to tell me what you want to do. Click here and type columns. Now go to add or remove columns and select 2 and look, the paragraph orientation is 2. Now select the first paragraph and keep the orientation left. Select the second paragraph, click on right orientation. Look, the left and right orientation on the same lines. This is the easiest way to align text left and right on the same line in Microsoft Word. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.